Ready to elevate your HR career? Here's your golden ticket. Join us as an HR generalist in Pune. This isn't just another job. It's a chance to be part of a team of one of global healthcare company that specializes in life-saving medicines and technologies. With 10 years of progressive experience in business HR, especially in a manufacturing setup, you'll thrive in this dynamic role. From ensuring compliance with statutory regulations to leading the talent acquisition process, you'll be at the heart of our operations. You'll also play a key role in onboarding and induction, interview skills training, and supporting our site HR head in implementing various HR initiatives. Plus, you'll handle general administration and management information reporting to keep all stakeholders informed. If you're excited about making a real impact, apply now at vikrant@iglobal.com. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to stay updated with more opportunities. Know someone looking for a job? Share this video and help them find their dream role.